What's up, people? Today I got a $600 PC that should be able to max out 1080p and 1440p for 600 bucks. You heard that, 600 bucks. Starting things off, we have a i5 6400 2.7 gigahertz Skylake. It's on sale at Newegg for $189. You can use the stock heatsink on it, because you ain't gonna be overclocking anyway, not with this thing. Next up, we have the ASRock Z170A LGA 1151 socket motherboard. It's on sale for 89 bucks. Pretty good motherboard. Supports up to 64 gigabytes of memory, dual channels, DDR4, which brings us to the memory. For that, we have DDR4 G-Skill Ripjaw V Series 8 gigabytes for $29. I mean, you don't need more than 8 gigabytes just to play games anyway. And it's $29. Just go buy it, bro. Just go buy it. Now for the heart of this build, we have an AMD RX480 for 200 bucks. AMD saying this thing is as fast as a 980. So with that being said, smashing 1080p, smashing 1440p. I mean, what else really need to be said? Power in this build, we got an EVGA 80 plus bronze 600 watt power supply for 49 bucks. 600 watt is plenty for the build we're doing. AMD has said that their cards don't use that much wattage anyway. Next, I have a NZXT case. It's black with a window for 44 bucks. I'm gonna let you guys choose your own. I just happened to pick this one because it was 44 bucks and it was nice with a window and be able to fit all your components. But if you find one nicer for around the same money or more, that's up to you. Last but not least, we have a 1 terabyte Western Digital Blue for your OS and a couple of games. I mean, it's Caviar Blue and it's been doing me all right. I mean, I have an SSD also, so if you want to go with SSD, that would add on another 50, 60 bucks. Throw your OS on there and then use the 1 terabyte Blue for all your games, and you'll really have a snappy experience. But the hard drive is alright too. It's 7200 RPM. So this build will cost you about $649 without a SSD. It's up to you if you want to add that in there. But that's it. I'm out.